Oke, agak acak-acakan ya rambutnya ya. Karena memang rambutnya keriting. Oke, baik kita mulai ya. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore. Oke, good afternoon everyone. Ya, meet again with me. Ya, Dedi Hendrianto. Ya, exactly today I would like to invite you to learn about English. About what is this? Yeah. The first of all, I would like to check the attendance. Everyone that coming can type a present or hadir in the column, a comment column, yeah. Okay, now about a week ago, yeah, you have learned about English exactly. About with Mr. Jajang also. I want to know about your activity. About what is this? About a week ago. What material did you learn last week? Ya. Ada yang masih ingat? If I ask you about these questions, ya. Karena kemarin seminggu yang lalu sudah belajar bahasa Inggris ya. Boleh. Waalaikumsalam ya. Oke, hadir Bu Yanti. Now, I would like to ask you about these questions. Yeah. What did you learn last week? Yeah. Anyone could answer these questions? Masih ingat? What did you learn last week? Apa yang sudah dipelajari ini? Minggu lalu kan sudah belajar bahasa Inggris juga ya. Kira-kira apa yang sudah dipelajari pada minggu lalu? Ada yang bisa bantu? To be a volunteer to answer these questions? Okay. Bu Yanti, can you answer these questions? Okay. It is about the material that you discussed with Mr. Jajang about a week ago, yeah? Yeah, last week. Yeah, can you answer these questions? Just type in the column, comment column, ya. Ya. Selamat datang Bu Titin, ya. Anybody can answer? Or could I answer by myself? Oh yeah, no problem, Ibu. The others, can you? Yeah, Bu Orde said that she wasn't present last week. Okay. Yeah. Maybe Bu Titin, can you answer what did you learn last week? So how you answer these questions? Ya. Nah, kira-kira bagaimana menjawabnya? Ya. Oke. Pertanyaan yang selanjutnya mungkin untuk anak-anak Bapak. Iya. It is about this. I will change the questions ya. Karena kenapa Bapak tanyakan pertanyaan ini? Karena ini merujuk nanti ke pembelajaran kita. What did you learn last week? Ya. Ya, pertanyaan yang menanyakan kata apa nih? Penanda ini. Sorry. Oke, ya did ya. Yang telah terjadi. Ya, last week you had learned about what about? Oke. Ya, sepertinya tidak ada yang jadi volunteer. Oke. Ya, nobody. So, you can answer these ones. Yeah. I learned English last week. Yeah, maybe. Tadi pertanyaan learn ya. Ada kata did. So you had to answer I learned English last week. Now, about the what is this? The material. It is about the subject, yeah. The subject is about English, but the material is about how to describe something or someone. Is it right? Yeah. Ya, so kemarin, minggu lalu, ya. Oh, Bu Titin said that advertising. No. No with me, but with Mr. Jajang, ya. Bukan yang dengan saya minggu lalu, pertemuan yang pertama, but pertemuan kedua dengan Mr. Jajang, ya. Karena bahasa Inggris sudah 2-3 kali, ya. Pertama Mr. Jajang, with Mr. Jajang, and then with me, and then Mr. Jajang. Now you meet again with me, ya. Ya, yang terakhir kemarin tentang describing people, ya. Ya, so itu sudah terjadi. Nah, ya. Oke. Ya, sesuatu yang sudah terjadi. Ya, so today, ya, it is about the first questions. Ya. Now, I will change the questions about this one. Okay. Did you go to school this morning? Yeah, how you answer these questions? Okay. Did you go to school this morning? Ya. Karena anak-anak Bapak sepertinya belum ada yang bergabung, boleh diwakilkan dengan the teachers here. Ya. Ya, did you go to school this morning? Ya, actually I know the answers already, ya. Ya. Pertanyaannya, apakah ke sekolah hari ini? Pagi ini ke sekolah nggak? Gitu, ya. Ada penanda kata did, ya. Ya. Berarti harus dijawab dengan apa? Yes or no, ya. Yes or no, karena diawali dengan kata kerja bantu. So, I didn't, ya. Misalnya, ya. No, I didn't. Ya, so. Berarti itu juga sudah terjadi. So, exactly, our discussion for today, I would like to invite you to learn about past tense. Ya. Jadi hari ini kita akan coba belajar about this ones. Simple past tense. Ya. Simple past tense. Yes, Ibu. No, I didn't. Yeah, that's right. No, Mister. I'm stay at home. Yes, Faida, ya, Nufa. Okay, thank you, ya. That's good, ya. Ya, so itu pertanyaan-pertanyaan menggunakan simple past tense. Ya, stay at home there, kata Dira. Okay, thank you, Dira. Ya, so today we will discuss about what is it? Simple past. Okay? Ya, simple past tense, ya. Oke. Nah, jadi pertanyaan-pertanyaan tadi, ya, kira-kira I will show again the question to you. Sorry. What did you learn last week? Yeah. And then also, did you go to school this morning? It is about simple past tense. Exactly. So now, anybody know what is the functions of, yeah, what is the functions of the question or the, what is it, the statement before? Anybody know what is the functions? Kira-kira fungsinya itu apa tuh? Ya, pertanyaan tadi itu fungsinya apa? Anybody can answer? Tahu? Ada yang bisa jawab? Ada yang bisa bantu saya? Oke, anybody? Ya. Contoh tadi kan, what did you learn last week? Or did you go to school this morning? Ya, tujuan itu apa? Oke. Selamat datang Sandia Ananda. Oke. Stay at home. Yes, stay at home. Now, again, what is the function? Kira fungsinya apa? Kita mengucapkan pertanyaan itu tadi. Ya. Halo. Ya. Nobody? Ya. Oke. Bu Matt, no I didn't. Yes. Oke. Tadi yang pertanyaan tadi, ya. Nah, sekarang fungsinya tadi apa kira-kira? So, the function is this one. Ya. Yes. The function is to asking for and giving information about activities in the past. Ya, jadi fungsinya untuk apa? Asking for and giving information about activities in the past. Ya, lupa. Menanyakan waktu yang telah berlalu. Iya, menanyakan ya dan memberi informasi tentang aktivitas yang sudah terjadi di waktu lampau, in past, hal yang sudah terjadi ya. Oke, betul Bu Met. Terima kasih Bu Met. Bu Titin menceritakan ya, menceritakan waktu yang lewat. Oke, about the activities already happened in the past ya. Oke. Ya. Ya, jadi itu tenses, itu perbedaannya dengan bahasa Indonesia ya. Kita mengucapkan hal yang sudah terjadi, kita gunakan simple past ya. Kalau bahasa Indonesia sama ya, mau terjadinya kemarin, hari ini, kita mengucapkannya sama. Oke. To explain past tense, kerja yang sudah terjadi ya. Oke, thank you Ibu. That's right. Oke, thank you so much. Ya. So, by the way, anybody know what is the objective of our study for today? Kira-kira ada yang tahu juga nggak? Kira-kira tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini apa? Ya. Oke. Ya. So today, ya. Our objective of the study for today is one. Ya. I would like to invite you. The first one is the objectives of the study for today to understand. So the students are able to understand the simple past form of verb. Ya, jadi ada kata kerja yang bisa digunakan dalam simple past. The first, ya, objectives. Okay, the second, ya, the students are able to pronounce, ya, or pronouncing the simple past form of regular verbs, ya. So now I will focus on regular verbs, but ya, tetapi Bapak juga akan menyinggung tentang kata kerja bantu, contoh to be ya. Ya. Oke, tapi akan fokusnya nanti kita penugasannya ke regular verbs ya. And then the last one is students are able to talk or write about an actions or general fact in the past. Yeah, so there are 3 objectives of the study for today. Ya, jadi hari ini kita akan pelajari ini 3 ya. Okay, it is about our objectives of the study ya for today. Exactly about simple past ya. Okay, now before I already taught you about the functions. Now the purpose. So the purpose of simple past is, ya, anybody know? Ada yang tahu lagi? Jadi tadi sudah disinggung kan, ada fungsinya dari pertanyaan itu tadi. Nah, sekarang untuk fungsi sosialnya atau tujuannya, tujuan dari simple past itu apa sebenarnya? Oke. Oke. Kira-kira apa tujuan dari simple past? Oke. Oke. Ya, so tujuannya apa? Sudah pasti tadi about where is it? Yang sudah terjadi di waktu lampau ya. So the purpose is here. Ya, the purpose of the simple past tense is ya to talk about actions or situations that happen and finish in the past. Ya. So Liza. Okay. Ya, here happen and finish. Ya, in the past. Ya, jadi kejadian yang sudah terjadi dan sudah selesai dilakukan di waktu lampau. Ya, kita gunakan simple past. Oke. Oke, itu. Ya, itu about the purpose of simple past tense, ya. Oke. Ya, now. Contoh kalimat dalam simple past lagi ya. Ada contoh kalimat. Mungkin ada yang bisa membantu saya membuat contoh kalimat misalnya yang sudah terjadi di waktu lampau. Oke. Contohnya apa? Oke, karena ini komennya sepertinya agak delay ya. Ya. Contoh yang bisa saya berikan, contoh. Okay, the example, this one. Example, Nizam and Kenzie played skateboard last month. Ya, ya penandanya ada kata kerja ya, kata kerja lampau. Played. And then note, play skateboard last month. Ya. What is the difference? Ya, between two sentence. Ya, perbedaannya apa? Yang pertama kalimat positif, and the second one is about negative sentence. Ya, negative sentence. Ya, it is about where is it? The example of the sentence we use. Oke. Ini ya. Contoh ini contoh kalimat simpelnya saja. Oke, now for the next, I would like to invite you to read exactly, ya. To read about a simple text, ya. Exactly. I will show you. Okay, I will show you about the text. Now we will identify about the verb in the text, ya. Kita akan coba mengidentifikasi kata kerjanya ya. Oke, coba. Oke. Oke, this one. Ya. Ini ada sebuah teks ya, teks ini diambil dari Chinling ya. A real surprise. Oke. This one. Oke. Sorry. Ya, di sini ada sebuah teks. Nah, kira-kira yang mana yang penanda kata kerja bentuk lampaunya? Oke. Nanti boleh anak-anak Bapak, mungkin juga Bapak Ibu guru, boleh diketik di kolom komentar yang mana yang merupakan kata kerja lampau dari teks yang akan kita baca sama-sama ini ya. Okay, the first one it is a surprise, a real surprise by Peter Davis. Okay. A few days ago, Mr. Stafford, a math teacher, answered his front door. There was a man at the doors. Yeah, at the doors. Okay. And then he had a notebook in his hand and said, "Did you teach at Wellborn Primary School 30 years ago?" Mr. Stafford nodded. "Well, this is for you," said the strangers, and gave him the notebook. "My name's Henry Craig, and I used to be your pupil. I was very naughty one day, and you taught me to write. I will be better in class. 1,000 times in my notebook. Soon after that, my family moved to France, and I never gave it to you. Well, here it is now. Yeah, well, here it is now. I'm sorry it took so long. Ya, jadi dari kata-kata ini kira-kira anak-anak Bapak bisa menemukan kata kerja? Contohnya salah satu dari kalimat yang pertama, coba. A few days ago, Mr. Stopper, a math teacher, answer his front door. Nah, kira-kira yang mana yang merupakan kata kerjanya? Anybody can answer? Ada yang bisa bantu jawab? Oke. Yes. There are answers ya. Oke, ini merupakan kata kerja salah satunya. There was. Oke, yang mana? Oke, di sini ada there was a man at the doors. Ya, answer. Ya, very good. Nupa ya. Terima kasih Nupa. Oke, answer. Ya, itu kata kerja yang pertama ya. Answers. And then the second one is there was a man at the door ya. There was a man at the door. Ya. So which one the verb? Kira-kira yang mana verbnya? Oke. Ya, Bu Meti answer. Okay, thank you. That's good. Now, for the second sentence, there was a man at the door. Yang mana yang merupakan verbnya, ya? Oke. Kalau tadi ada answered, and then the second sentence, there was a man at the door. So which ones? Ya, which ones? Oke, Nupa was. Oke, Sandia Ananda answers. Oke. Ya, jadi yang pertama answer ya, that's good. The second one is about was ya. It is a verb ya. Ya, bedanya apa? Kalau ini tadi kata kerja langsung. Kalau ini apa? Dalam bentuk to be ya. That's good. Oke. Ini contoh teksnya. Oke, Sandia Ananda was. Oke, good. Nah, tapi was-nya S-nya 1. Oke. Next, kita coba analyze about the verb in this text ya. Kita coba analyze the verb-nya. Oke, kita lihat di sini ada verb. Ya, so the verb tadi ada ya contoh answer ya. Answer, to be answered ya. Nah, tadi kata kerja bentuk lampaunya ada answered, kemudian ya ada be ya, be, tetapi dalam bentuk lampau dia berubah, yang kita gunakan was and were ya. Jadi di present ada be, di present juga ada answer, to be answers, be, to be, was or were. Have, for example ya, kata lain bisa ada have menjadi had, ada teach menjadi talk, give, gave, tell, told, write, wrote, move, and move ya. So kind of verb. So how many kind of verb here? Kira-kira ada berapa jenis verbnya ya? Ada dalam bentuk dua kata kerja ya, regular verb and then irregular verbs ya. Jenis kata kerja itu ada dua sebenarnya, kata kerja regular and then regular verbs ya. Regular apa tadi? Answered, asked, move, started ya. Answered, asked, move, started ya. Ini merupakan regular verbs ya. Kenapa disebutkan regular verbs ya? Because there are a rule ya. Ya, a rule, teratur dianya. Apa bedanya antara yang kata kerja pertamanya dengan kata kerja keduanya? Yang beda apa? Ada ditambah dengan ed ya. Yes ya, dia teratur, jadi regular. And then the second one is irregular, tidak teratur. Contoh tadi was, were ya, was, were, had, talk, gave ya. Bentuk pertamanya kalau was apa? Bentuk presentnya itu dari kata is ya, am menjadi was. Kalau yang were itu dari are ya. Kalau di present ya, present kita gunakan are. Kalau di past we use were. Ya, ini tadi. Jadi perbedaannya jelas. Jadi bentuk pertama dan bentuk kedua, bentuk present dan bentuk lampaunya itu beda jauh ya. Kalau yang regulars itu sudah ada rule-nya ya. Ya, teratur ya, tinggal ditambah ed atau ds. Oke, it is about a verb ya in simple past. Jadi ada dua jenis sebenarnya, jenis kata kerja. Oke. Ada dua jenis. Okay, so there are two kind of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Ya, regular verbnya there is a rule ya, ada rule-nya ya. Sedangkan irregulars itu tidak ada rule, dia beda ya. Termasuklah to be di dalamnya. Jadi kata kerja di dalam simple past bisa menggunakan to be, bisa menggunakan kata kerja langsung ya. Nah, kalau to be tadi apa? Contohnya, to be-nya ada berapa? Ada dua, was and were ya. Kalau was dia to be apa? Oke. Oke. Was ya, to be present-nya apa? Ya. Is dan am. Di simple past berubah menjadi was. Sedangkan were di present itu menggunakan kata are, di simple past berubah menjadi were. Ya, ya peruntukannya ya. Kita menggunakan to be ini bisa kita gunakan berdasarkan subjek yang digunakannya ya. Subjek yang tertera. Subjeknya apa? Ya. Subjeknya apa kira-kira? Oke. Oke, wait again. Dalam penggunaan to be ya. Oke, nggak nampak ya. Oke. Ya. Jika subjeknya I, he, she, it, jadi be-nya menggunakan kata was ya. Sedangkan untuk subjek you, we, they kita menggunakan kata ya. Jadi penggunaan to be ini tergantung dengan subjeknya. Kalau subjeknya ini tunggal menggunakan was, dan kalau jamak menggunakan were ya. You, we, they ya. Oke, itu. Nah, sekarang untuk lebih jelasnya kita coba supaya lebih memahami. I have some questions exactly ya. Oke. Oke. Untuk yang to be ya. Before we go to regular verbs ya. Yeah, here I had this one. Yeah. Simple past. Be, was, or were. Now, please, okay, my dear students, yeah, complete the sentences with was, or wasn't, or were, or weren't. Ya, oke. Coba lengkapi kalimat. Ini ada berapa kalimat? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sentences ya. Coba lengkapi untuk yang pertama. Saya kasih nomor dulu ya. Kasih nomor, tadi nggak ada nomor. Oke, nomor 1, 2, 3, 4 ya. Oke, number 1 ya, dilengkapi untuk soal nomor 1 ya, kalimat yang pertama. Nah, ini soal ini perintahnya dilengkapi dengan kata was atau wasn't, ada were atau weren't ya. Nah, ini tadi lupa Bapak menyampaikan. Was untuk apa? Weren't. Kalau weren't, wasn't ini apa? Wasn't ini untuk yang negatif ya. Ya. Yang pertama, I bla 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 ill. Nah, kira-kira bisa dimasuki was, were, wasn't atau weren't. Ya. Kira-kira yang mana? Oke. Oke, ada yang bisa bantu? Oke, ini Bu Titin. Is MR, ya, itu to be untuk present ya. Untuk present we use is MR. Oke, good. Oke, Pak Sudarso. Yes, sir. Oke, thank you for coming ya. Welcome, Mr. Darso. Oke, selamat datang Pak Darso. Oke, yang pertama. Belum bisa, Mister. Ya. Oke, number one. I was ill. Oke, that's good ya. Bu Meti said that I was ill. Okay, that's good. Ya, jadi I, subjeknya I ya. Subjeknya I, seperti tadi yang sudah disampaikan. Kalau subjeknya I, tadi apa? Ada kata I, he, she, it. Ya, we use was. Ya, I was ill. Okay, very good. Ya. For the second one, ya. Yang kedua, kira-kira bisa yang mana? Was ill. Okay, thank you Sandia Ananda. Okay, that's good. For the second, she blah 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 a beautiful girl. Ya. Kira-kira apa? She blah 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 a beautiful girl. She was a beautiful girl. Bu Meti, she was a beautiful girl. Okay, very good. She was. Okay. Why we use was? Ya, because the subject she ya. Ya, kenapa kita gunakan was? Ya, karena subjeknya sudah tahu, sudah jelas she ya. Okay, that's good. For the third ya, yang ketiga. Nah, kira-kira ketiganya apa? Oke. Yang ketiga, he bla 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 a doctor. Full stop, ada tanda titik ya. And then he was a teacher. Ya, kira-kira apa? Karena ada dua kalimat di situ. He bla 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 a doctor. He was a teacher. Ya. Kira-kira apa jawabannya? Kita pilih yang mana? Was, wasn't, ya. Were, weren't, ya. So which ones? Okay. Okay. She was a beautiful girl. Bu Titin said, ya. She ya, bukan S ya Bu Titin. Oke, she ya, oke. She was a beautiful girl. Oke, thank you. Ya, that's good. Itu nomor 2 tadi ya. Sekarang nomor 3, coba. He bla 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 a doctor. Ya, kalimat pertama. Yang kedua, he was a teacher. Dia titik-titik seorang dokter. Kalimat keduanya ada informasi yang kita dapatkan. Apa? Ya, he was a teacher. Dia seorang guru. Oke, lupa. He wasn't a doctor. Oke, he wasn't a doctor. He was a teacher. Ya, dia bukan seorang dokter. Dia adalah seorang guru. Oke, that's good. Wasn't ya. Why we use wasn't? Because the subject's he ya. Ya. Oke, that's good. Now, how about this one? Number 4. Number 4. Nomor 4, coba. We blah 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 at school together. Ya. We, subjeknya we. So we use ya, to be-nya kita gunakan apa? Kalau we. Oke, Bu Titin, he was a doctor. Oke. Ya, was not ya, Bu Titin. Because the next sentence, he was a teacher. Dia seorang guru, bukan seorang dokter ya. Oke, lebih tepatnya. Oke, next. We. Kira-kira ada yang bisa bantu? We bla 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 at school together. Kami titik-titik di sekolah bersama-sama katanya. Yang ngapain dia? Di mana dianya? Oke. Ada subjeknya? Ya, tinggal penanda. We were at school together. Oke, thank you Nova ya. We were at school together. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay. Nggak apa-apa Bu Titin, ya. We learn together, ya. Oke. Oke, selamat datang Bu Erma. Oke, welcome. Oke, sudah terjawab ya untuk yang pertama. Now, I have another exercise, another task for you ya. Another task for you. This ones. Ya, this task ya. So now, ya please. Okay, for the next task, I would like you to fill the missing word ya, based on this short dialogue exactly ya. Di sini ada percakapan singkat. Tolong diisi berdasarkan yang Bapak Ibu atau anak-anak Bapak dengarkan dari yang saya baca ya. Oke, coba. Di sini ada. Oke. Ya. Task ya. Listen and complete the following dialogue. Katanya perintahnya listen, dengarkan dan complete the following dialogue. For the first ya, A ya, yang pertama ya. Yang A ya. Ya. Nanti silakan diisi ya. Untuk percakapan dua orang ini dulu ya. Pertama, coba. What about your father's? Was he a doctor too? Yeah. Yes, he was. Oke, saya ulang ya. What about your father? Was he a doctor too? Yes, he was. Oke, sudah dapat jawabannya? Boleh diketik di kolom komentar. Coba. Oke, for the first dialogue. Ya. What about your father's? Was he a doctor too? Yes, he was. Ya. Jadi apa di sini? Oke. What about your father's? Was he a doctor too? Ya. Ini kalimat apa kira-kira? Ini ada question mark ya, kalimat tanya. Jadi kira-kira apa? What about your father's? Was he a doctor too? Ya. Is he a doctor too? Okay. Sandia, is he a doctor ya? Doctor. Okay, doctor too. Okay. Ya, berdasarkan yang didengar ya. Ya, coba saya baca sekali lagi. What about your father? Was he a doctor too? Yes, he was. Ya, jadi apa? Yes, Nufa. Was. Ya, good. Ini interrogative form ya. Kalimat interrogative atau kalimat tanya. Tadi berdasarkan yang didengar tadi kata was ya. What about your father? Was he a doctor too? Yes, he was. Okay, that's right. Bu Meti. Was. Okay, Bu Erma. Was. Ya, double was ya. Number one was. The second one is was also. Ya, that's good ya. Ya. Nah, ini merupakan kalimat tanya ya. Kalau kalimat tanya berarti tadi apa? Kata kerja bantunya ya, to be-nya maju ke depan, baru diikuti dengan subjek ya. To be, subjek. Ya, baru objeknya. Oke, atau komplementnya ya. Oke, now for the second dialogue. Ya, untuk yang nomor 3 dan nomor 4 ya. Oke, were they in the same class? Were they in the same class? No, they weren't. Ya, no, they were not. Ya, oke. Were they in the same class? No, they were not. Ya, so. Nah, jadi apa? Yang nomor 3. Were they in the same class? No, they were not. Oke. Kira-kira apa? Oke, penanda cara mengisinya ya. Di samping kita mendengarkan, sebenarnya